Pete, very good to see you. I have an important question that I think a lot of people are wondering about. Should I invest in gold? Investors who are concerned about a recession are putting their money in safe havens, and gold is often seen as a safe haven when markets and economies are facing headwinds. And during periods of high inflation, gold is often seen as a hedge. We are certainly living in uncertain times right now. So, does investing in gold make sense for today?
Well, it depends on your overall strategy. And looking at gold and where gold is trading at today, it's in the $1,900 range, and we're bouncing off of the COVID high of $2,000. Investing in gold right now, you have to remember that gold is a commodity, and commodities are volatile. You can invest a portion of your portfolio into gold, but never would you go 100% into gold in times of fear. There's a lot to be concerned about in the world right now. High inflation, the Federal Reserve is raising interest rates. We have a war broken out in the Middle East, and gold is that safe haven. But again, if you want to participate in gold, you don't go all in. You buy a portion of it in your portfolio to get some of that upside if, in fact, it does break out.
So let's dive into that a little bit though. Let's say that I do want to invest in gold. Am I, buying a gold ETF or like shoppers at Costco now? I don't know if you've seen this. Should I go out and buy these gold bars? They're selling out, Pete, in a matter of hours.
Yeah, there's definitely a fear going on right now. And the old adage is you buy that gold. But remember, what are you going to do with that gold bar? It's not a currency. That is Armageddon, is what you're thinking of.
Mm,
If you feel safe enough, if you feel like you have to have some physical gold to put in your safe deposit, sure, a few gold bars would do it. But again, gold is a commodity, it's not a currency, and so it's very limited on what you can do with that gold bar, basically. But if
mhm.
you want to have exposure to gold, there are ETFs and exchange traded products where you can participate in the upside of gold. And again, taking a portion of your portfolio, we'll put it in that ETF, and you can participate in gold's rally if, in fact, it does rally.
Mhm. Let's say, though, that maximizing the growth of my investments is my priority. What about gold then as an asset class?
Well, again, gold is a commodity, and we have a chart here that's going to show that gold historically trails the stock market. As we know, investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds over time, that is where you're going to get your biggest growth, mainly in the stock portion of it. So, gold trails stocks over time. Stocks is the best way to get the maximum growth of your portfolio. Gold could add to it, but again, a small portion. You're not going to get the same upside with gold as you do with stocks over the long term.
Not going to make you rich, but maybe make you feel a little
Right.
safe.
If you
Right.
feel like buying a lottery ticket, it's
Right.
kind of like that.
All right. Well, Pete, if somebody does have questions about whether they are properly invested and whether gold should be a part of their portfolio, what's the best way to reach you?
Again, our main number is 847-499-3454. Reach out to us. We can talk about your overall portfolio and where gold may fit and may not, basically.
All right. Pete, thank you very much.
Thanks, Erin. Bye bye.